Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is an iPhone. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an iPhone? An iPhone is a smartphone made by Apple that combines a computer, iPad, digital camera, and cellular phone into one device with a screen with a touchscreen interface. The iPhone runs the iOS operating system, and in 2021 when the iPhone 13 was introduced, it offered up to 1 terabyte of storage and a 12 megapixel camera. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is an iPhone is all about. Thank you so much for your support in watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.